Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to Wollongong. So I'm with my family here. So they just arrived yesterday. So yesterday was a super packed schedule because after they arrived from the Philippines, I immediately went to Sofitel and then I just gave away some Filipino goodies. And then after that, I went straight to my driving lessons. And then it was just a very, very busy week. So today we are a bit rushed as well, so we are just waiting for the train. It's about, I think, 9 minutes left, and then we are boarding the train to North Wollongong. Very different feeling when you're on a holiday because this is Central Station and I never really stopped here, but this is my first time stopping here at the cafe here because we're waiting for the train. So it's really a different experience when you're on a holiday, and I'm excited to see the beach today. We have already arrived North Wollongong and there's really not much restaurants around the area. So we asked our Uber driver on what's the best restaurant here, and he said that this Lagoon restaurant is worth a try. So we're giving it a try, and I'll show you what we've ordered later. I am not really a big fan of seafood, so I'm not really excited about it, but I'm more excited about this view at the back. So this is Wollongong Beach, and I think I'm going to try somewhere there later after we eat our lunch today. So I'm just showing them the Wollongong Beach, pero sobrang lamig pala niya because uulan na in a while. So I don't think ma-experience namin yung water. But it's just nice to bring my parents here kasi bihira lang sila magdagat sa Pilipinas. Morning. It's another day here in Wollongong and I'm having my banana bread. Sila mother and father ay tulog pa sa taas. They're still sleeping upstairs because I think they're still jet lagged. So they've been still telling me what time here and what time in the Philippines is. So I had the privilege to wake up early. So I'm just taking a quick run by the beach. Siyempre di natin papalampasin yung mga ganitong moments. I'm just so grateful for the places like this where you can connect with God, connect with nature, and just be grateful for the life that He has given you here. Ayun, if malamig and madulas, I'll just go to the gym back in the hotel, and I'm having my banana bread, yung baon ni Mama from Central Station pa, to give me more energy for today. So see you guys. Thank you for watching this quick vlog of me. Mga nabudol maglakad. Ha? Supervisor.